Hi foodies, welcome to Mellowbites Saladelicious Series episode number 1. Today we are whipping up a healthy and colorful bowl of Broccoli Babycorn Salad. A delicious blend of fresh veggies perfect for a light meal or a wholesome side dish. Let's get started. Here I have taken 10 to 12 baby corns cut into medium-sized pieces and a medium-sized broccoli chopped into florets. To my Hawkins stir-fry pan, I'm adding exactly quarter cup of water. Not more, because we want to retain that crunchy texture while cooking. Now in goes the baby corn and broccoli along with the salt to taste. Cover and let it cook on medium heat for exactly 5 minutes. Look here, both are perfectly cooked yet crisp and vibrant. Let's set them aside to cool while we prepare the other veggies. Let's bring in more color and nutrients. Here we have taken 1 carrot, great for eye health, 1 sliced onion packed with antioxidants, green bell pepper, high in vitamin C, red bell pepper, powers of vitamin A, and yellow bell pepper that supports heart health and rich in fiber, each of half. Also I have taken 1/3 cup of lettuce that keeps you hydrated and olives that's full of healthy fats. Now to a wide bowl, let's start adding all these fresh veggies, lettuce, onions, carrots, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, olives, and our cooked broccoli and baby corn that's cooled already. Give it a gentle mix and look at that vibrant bowl. When cooked just right, the broccoli holds its shape without mashing up, keeping up the salad fresh and crunchy. Now it's time for the final touch, the dressing. I'm using Viva's Thousand Island dressing, but you can choose any dressing of your preference and add as much as you like. Mix it well until the veggies are beautifully coated. There you have it, a colorful, nutritious and absolutely delicious broccoli babycorn salad. A perfect balance of flavors, crunch and health in every bite. This salad is not just visually appealing but also powerhouse of nutrition, perfect for a healthy meal, a quick snack or even as a side for your main course. Enjoy a bowl of health and happiness. Meet you in another video. Bye.